Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to make a bead crochet rope, also known as tubular crochet. These ropes work nice as purse handles, belts, or necklaces and bracelets. I recommend using larger beads for your first time, like pony beads with worsted weight yarn. Or you can use mini pony beads with crochet thread. I like to apply clear nail polish to the end of my yarn or thread and let it dry. The beads then slip on much easier this way. String 90 beads onto your yarn. Do these in groups of 6. In my case, I did a pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple bead. Make a slip knot. Slide the pink bead towards your hook. Yarn over and pull through. As you can see, we're making a chain with the bead encased in the middle. Slide the yellow bead and chain. Green bead and chain. Blue bead. And finally, the purple bead. Now, slide the next pink bead down towards your hook. We're going to join this into a ring in a special kind of way. Insert your hook into the thread that goes through the bead, like this. Slide down the pink bead. Push the first pink bead down and out of the way. Slide the new bead on top. Yarn over and complete the slip stitch. Move the orange bead down. Insert the hook into the previous orange bead and complete the stitch. Insert, move down, slide, then finish the stitch. If you notice, the beads will line up with the previous color bead. Yellow will be over yellow, and green will be over green. Continue doing this around in a spiral. After about the 5th round, it starts to look better, as you can see. To finish this off, make slip stitches around. Insert the hook into each bead as we did before. This process helps push down that top layer of beads so they are facing the correct direction. And here's the finished bead crochet rope or tube.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and please visit my website at Naztazia.com.